Infamous Joel here, and I want to talk to you about the rise of the Facebook affiliate marketing cult. Yes, it's a real thing. This is a whole scam alert video. I'm just going to open up the doors for you and tell you exactly what's going on in a specific industry. If you watch to the end of this video, you're going to learn all about how affiliate marketing is actually two different things. A lot of times I get people asking me, if family, friends, people in the street, they say, well, is affiliate marketing like a pyramid scheme? Isn't that like a whole scam kind of thing? Someone told me about it. It seems kind of scammy and sketchy. Here's the thing. It is, but it's also not. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you in the rest of this video, but stay tuned, watch this. I'm going to explain it to you in a whole story, my backstory, a little bit of what's going on, because there are scams out there. There are a lot of false fake gurus. There's a lot of bad stuff going on. There's pyramid schemes for sure. I've wasted a lot of money on them myself, and I've been part of them myself. So I have a lot of experience in this industry. I've been doing it about 3 years now. It's not even really an industry. I wouldn't even call it an industry. It's a whole thing that just blown out of proportions, gone out of control. And I want to tell you specifically about the Facebook affiliate marketing scam artists out there and the people out there who are just preying on your money. Okay, so back in 2019, as a lot of you already know my whole story, but I came home from prison, right? I served 7 years there. I came home with $50 in my pocket, and I didn't have any other business to start online. I wanted to start a business. I was gung ho. I was like, I need to make money. I need to start an online business. So I jumped straight into affiliate marketing. And for 8 months, I didn't make a single penny. Okay, I wasn't a winner from the beginning. This isn't one of those easy rags to riches stories. I had to learn things the hard way. Okay, a lot of you probably do. A lot of you have probably been trying a bunch of different tactics and techniques. And if you've been watching my channel, you can try a lot of the stuff on there. I tell you a lot of really good stuff on this channel, but you might not have made any money yet, right? And you're thinking, okay, affiliate marketing, I've tried this program, I've tried that program, I'm trying this program, here's another program, here's another shiny object, another guru saying this, another one saying that. And the thing is, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to tell the difference between what is legit and what is not. Here's the deal. I used to be full on Facebook affiliate marketing someone else's product, someone else's course, my mentor's course. I'm going to get into the whole mentor thing in a minute. This is spiraled out of control, okay? There's a very specific reason why you see me mostly on YouTube now, pretty much 100% on YouTube. I had to get out of the Facebook hellhole, okay? Facebook is so crazy noisy now. It's ridiculous. It's a lot of the tactics and techniques that I started with, that I started making money with, that I reached my first six-figure year with, where I was posting on Facebook and messaging people. A lot of it still works. But over time, I started noticing that it was getting crazy and highly oversaturated. I would be in other people's inbox and do my whole messenger scripting thing. Have you heard the good news about our Lord and Savior, which happens all the time? You know, people get into these cults on Facebook. It's really bad. But what happened was I started getting pitched. I'm trying to pitch someone else and they're pitching me back. And it was like, what is going on here? It's like everyone's using the same scripts, the same words, the same this, the same that. And it becomes this madhouse, this animal house where everyone's trying to eat each other. Everyone's trying to steal each other's leads. Everyone's trying to out motivational post each other. Facebook is the Wild West. And I'm going to explain something else here. I'm going to reveal to you a lot of these affiliate marketing gurus, these seven-figure mentors. There's a ton of them out there. Okay, there's no one specific one that I'm talking about. Everyone is posting all about their seven-figure mentor. Listen, if there was really this many seven-figure mentors in the world, there'd be no money left for the rest of us, okay? It's like there's no way there's this many seven-figure mentors who just keep on just appearing out of the blue. They just appear out of nowhere. Where did they come from? How did they build their seven-figure business? What's their history? Look them up, Google them, figure out what happened. And not just their own websites. Has there ever been an article written about them? Have they ever been written about in Forbes or Entrepreneur or anything? If you can't find anything, chances are you have something very suspicious on your hands, because this person that rose to prominence and became some big seven-figure mentor and has all these success stories following him around, don't you think something would have been written in some publication somewhere, don't you think they would be a little bit more popular than they really are at this point in time, where they're just sitting on Facebook in some corner somewhere, just, you know, telling all their followers to block everybody who says anything negative about them? Think about it. A lot of these seven-figure mentors are the new age cult leaders. Okay, a lot of them know marketing, and I tell you guys this on the channel all the time. Marketing is a skill, and you have to be very careful, because people that learn marketing, myself included, we can either use it for good or we can use it for evil. It's like a gun. If people want to just like eradicate guns, there's channels out there like CoffeeZilla and all these other big channels and stuff, and they just call everybody a fake guru. I like his channel, but sometimes I disagree with him. The thing is, marketing is a skill, and you can use it for good. You can help people with marketing. You can put out good products. You can put out, I have a course down in the description below. It's an affordable course. I want to help people learn how to make money online. And I could be one of these seven-figure mentor guru people that charge $5,000-$6,000 and just take advantage of people, and you learn nothing, and you get nothing out of the program, and you make nothing. Well, I saw a bunch of testimonials. A lot of those testimonials are either outdated or fake. I saw screenshots. You can fake screenshots nowadays. I know for a fact. Okay, none of mine are fake, but I also don't have anything that's spectacular, because it's realistic. Okay, that mentor that sat there and told you all these things, they filled your head up with lies. It's the same way that a cult leader operates. It's the same thing. They cut you off from your family and friends. They cut you off from everybody who says anything negative about them. And then they make you believe in this fallacy, this thing that's just not true. Ask yourself, if you have this seven-figure mentor thing, or if you've been on Facebook doing affiliate marketing for a while and you keep getting pitched by everybody under the sun, what are they selling? It's weird to me that all they end up selling is their seven-figure mentors course or their miraculous program that turns around so many lives. Just think about that for a second. That's not affiliate marketing. That's a pyramid scheme. And that's what I was saying earlier in this video, that it's gotten ugly. And this is why I've left Facebook altogether and just came over here on YouTube, because I feel I can really serve people on YouTube. I feel like I can really help people on YouTube. YouTube is a legit platform where you can make videos that help people. You make money in your sleep. It's real passive income. I push it in my own course. I say, hey, this is the way you should do it. And it's a better channel. It's a better platform for affiliate marketing. 99% of YouTubers do affiliate marketing. It's nothing special. Maybe it's the first time you've heard of it. Maybe you started hearing about it and you think it's some special crazy thing. You could learn affiliate marketing here on YouTube for free. It's easy. Affiliate marketing is nothing more than, I like this product, this service, this course, this software, this thing, and I'm really smart at a particular subject. I'm a coffee aficionado. I know how to repair cars. I love like making beats for, you know, rap artists or whatever. I'm going to teach other people how to do that. And in the process of doing that, I'm just recommending things that I use myself. That's all affiliate marketing is. So how did we get to this point where everybody's got these fancy seven-figure mentors, learn affiliate marketing by buying the thing that I bought because I'm an idiot and I spent a bunch of money on it, so now I want to turn around and sell the thing that I've spent a bunch of money on? How did we get to that point? It's simple. In the early days of the internet, and you can look this up, the FCC started cracking down on these MLMs and these big money promises, and they're still kind of cracking down on them. But it's so rampant, it's so out of control, they can't keep up. And a lot of them rebranded as affiliate marketing because MLM and all these other things that they were doing before wasn't working anymore. They kept getting cease and desist letters, you know? So they started rebranding themselves as affiliate marketing. But anything where you're teaching people how to do a thing, right? I'm teaching people how to make money online. And the only recourse that they have, the only way they can make money online is to tell people to buy my thing that taught them how to make money online. That's a pyramid scheme. Everything flows to the top. And I might sound like a hypocrite because yes, I do have an affiliate program in my course, but it's completely optional. That's the difference. Affiliate marketing, I'm teaching you how to brand yourself. Figure out what you're good at. I have one student who you can see in my testimonials who is a dog groomer. She's not selling my course. She's not talking about her six-figure mentor everywhere you look. No, she wants to be a professional dog grooming teacher on YouTube. She has an awesome channel. And all the tools, the combs, the shampoo, everything that she likes, that she uses herself, that she recommends, she just puts it on there. She's like, hey, click these links. These are the things that I use. You're just teaching people. So you become a teacher. You're an educator. That's what an affiliate marketer is. You're an educator. The beauty is you don't own any of these products. It's the simplest halfway between being a full-on entrepreneur and, stay at home, not stay at home, but, 9-to-5 worker. And in the middle here, that's just using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not even really a business. It's a monetization strategy. The business is you. The business is you as the personal brand. You are the business, not your seven-figure mentor, not buy my thing and then someone else buy the thing and then it's a mess. And it's gotten 1,000 times worse on Facebook. Facebook it's just scam city. Everybody and their grandma is trying to get you to buy into their thing so everyone else can just buy. It's gotten extremely oversaturated. I got completely sick of it. I started seeing that it was really turning ugly in 2021. It was really bad when I first started, but it got really ugly in 2000. Almost everybody and their grandma. It was just the rise of all these out of nowhere. Everybody's got a mentor. Are you a mentor? Is this guy a mentor? That guy's a mentor. Everybody's a mentor. It's a mess. There's just scam artists falling out of the sky everywhere you look. It's really bad. Okay, so stay out of that. Just enjoy right here on YouTube. I have nothing but free stuff on this channel. I'll show you how to make money online. I'm not interested in making rich people richer. I'm not trying to sell stuff that are, thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm not into that. I want to help people who were just like me, who started off with very little. Everything I have is very affordable. And I want to help you learn to make money online, but I want you to find yourself. I don't want you to just sell my stuff. I'm not a cult leader. That's not what I'm aiming to do. I want you to find yourself and build your brand online, to have your own traffic, your own audience, your own logo, your own stuff. Maybe you want to teach people to make money online. Fine, then sell my stuff. That's okay. Or some other stuff. Maybe you find something on ClickBank that you enjoy. Whatever. I don't cut you off from society and say, no, only sell my stuff, block everyone else. It's ridiculous. That is a cult. And sometimes you just need to recognize the way a cult operates. It puts you in denial, extreme denial, especially for those who do make some money. Then you become dependent. You become dependent on that cult. Now, what happens when the FCC shuts that down? Now, what are you going to do? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.